Islands of Adventure. It's a beautiful day, except for the clouds that signal a rainstorm. I never realized it, but on the gate I see all the islands. Seuss Landing.
What is at the top?
Oh, Jurassic Park. And what? No, there's better islands than that. Islands of Adventure Trading Company has some Volcano Bay. What is it? I conquered the Krakatoa. Here, what's over here? Still looking like a pretty big chance of rain, so trying to search for somewhere inside. I think we'll head to Spider-Man. Done with Spider-Man now, but we're gonna take a look in the Captain America diner.
Hey look, all American burgers.
From what we see in the menu, there's burgers, and more burgers. Here by Popeye, all those boats are stuck, and the wait time thing says 0 minutes. So
Let's go check out Ripsaw Falls.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure all outdoor rides are about to close, so I guess our next stop should be Skull Island. So it seems that Ripsaw Falls is open, and it's at a 15-minute wait while Popeye is closed. I wonder what the reasoning behind that is. Whole families are taking up all the drying booths. Not getting a drying booth now because we're going to ride Popeye because it's now reopened, and maybe Jurassic Park. It's officially starting to rain, and we're doing our third water ride of the day, Jurassic Park River Adventure. Jordan, is that a branch? Yeah, well, where did you find that branch? Oh, you snapped it off of plants.
No, I didn't snap it off. It's on the ground.
Oh, it's on the ground. We've officially ridden all water rides back to back to back, and I'm pretty wet. How's that poncho helping you, Jordan?
It hasn't done very well.
Welp, it's still somewhat drizzly. Yep, that's right. They let us ride Jurassic Park in the pouring rain, and now I'm wearing a poncho.
And I'm wearing a future hat.
Hogsmeade in the pouring rain. Looking for something to eat, and we're stopping at Fire Eater's Grill in the Lost Continent. From Fire Eater's Grill, I got some chicken stingers, and what's this called?
A gyro.
What is it?
A gyro.
Taking a walk through Seuss Landing, and it's pretty abandoned back here. Walking by a ticket booth, just thought I'd show the prices. It's 3-part tickets and annual passes. Well, we're done with Islands of Adventure now. We're heading to Universal. Made it into studios. We have 15 minutes to go until our return time for Jimmy Fallon ends. Luckily, we don't have that far to go. So down there, the Ragtime Gals are doing some sort of, I don't know, they're rapping. And let's see, we're just sitting over here by these chairs. One of these little screens clears up. We'll play some games. Let's see, our color is orange, and currently all the lights in here are green.
It looks like an NBC page has not called a new.
Down here by Fast Food Boulevard, it's starting to get a little late. Yeah, it's pretty dark. It's still drizzly. Still using the GoPro because if I use the Canon, it could get ruined. But let's see, we've ridden Men in Black and Gringotts in the time being, and loose articles were not allowed. Nice future hat. We're heading to E.T. Yeah, E.T. Going here into E.T. Jordan. Let's see, does it still smell like paint?
Let me smell.
Yeah,
Oh, I can smell paint.
Where are these people going?
Oh, the extended cube that will never be filled, not once in E.T.'s lifetime.
Yeah, you smell the paint, Jordan?
It's over here.
Yeah, don't tell them. Let's see if they'll find out on their own. The smell of a forest is so good. See, there's some astronauts up there. See, I wonder if the big E.T. is out today, because he wasn't out last time. To top off the night, we're hitting Terminator 2 3D. Cyberdyne. Alright. Ooh, it's kind of chilly in here because we're all cold from the rain. And this might be a pretty empty show. Safety visor pickup.
Please ask one of our helpful Cyberdyne staff, and they'll be more than happy to assist you. In the very near future, we'll be rolling out some innovative new consumer products designed to make your lives better, brighter, easier, and safer. And now let's take a look at this little sizzle reel, which I personally supervise. I'll say it again. Personally supervise. So you can all get to know us here at Cyberdyne a little bit better. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cyberdyne!
Imagine a world where butterflies run on batteries. Imagine an education system where an entire semester of coursework is downloaded directly into the student's brain in the blink of an eye. Every lesson, every subject, every student, total recall. Imagine a high-tech medical center where a neurosurgeon can remove a brain tumor with absolute technological precision without missing the sunset. Where a mother can tuck in her child and say goodnight from halfway around the planet. Where contact lens neural vision enhancers make human error a thing of the past. It's happening today at Cyberdyne Systems. That's right, Cyberdyne. Bigger, better, and stronger than ever. And we're ready to lead the world into a future beyond imagination. Our goal? Complete domination of global communications. Cyberdyne Systems has always been a pioneer in advanced robotic systems for medicine, industry, and consumer products, making your life happier, healthier, and richer. Cyberdyne Systems is also the leader in defense technology. In fact, Cyberdyne is about to unveil the most powerful thinking machine ever created, Skynet. When the Skynet system comes online, this nation and our allies will be protected by the ultimate guardian, the first fully computer-controlled defense system. Skynet satellites in orbit high above the Earth can look through any window, in any building, in any city, anywhere in the world, targeting the bad guys before they can target you. Commanding all our weapon systems as one coordinated force, Skynet can react instantly with anything from a strategic airstrike using a single drone to the deployment of 10 armored divisions or the 6th Fleet. Skynet also commands the nation's nuclear arsenal, taking it out of human hands and reducing the possibility of error to absolute zero. Soon, we can all sleep soundly, knowing that Skynet is watching over us. Thanks to Cyberdyne Systems and Skynet, our children will grow up in a world free of fear. Cyberdyne Systems, the future of information systems and robotics, the future of national defense. Cyberdyne Cyberdyne Systems.
Are we in?
Easy money.
Okay, listen to me, everybody. We don't have much time. Skynet is your enemy. It must be destroyed before it destroys us. Don't believe this cutesy pie video and their slick marketing. These corporate pigs aren't selling safety, they're selling death. They should all be taken out and barbecued.
Mom! Mission, remember? She's a little tense. Okay, attention everyone in this building. This is a warning from the human resistance. Cyberdyne is a menace. Skynet threatens the future of the human race. We're gonna stop it. You have 5 minutes to get out. Repeat, all civilians in this building have 5 minutes to get out. Roll tape. Alright. Rolling.
Now listen to me very carefully. Only days after its completion, the Skynet computer will turn against us, launch an all-out war against mankind. The battle will last over 30 years. The fate of the human race at stake. How do I know this? How do I know it's in the future? Because the future paid me a visit.
Come with me if you want to live.
Skynet sent killer cyborgs, Terminators, back through time to remove those who would oppose it. John and I were the top of their hit list. But the Resistance sent a lone warrior, a protector for John. A Terminator programmed to defend human life.
Get down.
And despite my reservations about this particular model, he defended us to the very end, sacrificed himself to save the future. And then John and I were alone again. I thought we prevented Judgment Day, but it is starting all over. Skynet must never be completed. Get out of the building. You have been warned. You have 5 minutes before we witness
And friendlier for everyone. And you'll witness perhaps Cyberdyne's greatest breakthrough. An incredible new technology that will change your world today and tomorrow.
Well, that sure took you long enough. They're doing what to do, just keep them out.
The future. It's happening. Today. At Cyberdyne Systems, we are the future.
Well, hi again, everybody. Wasn't that just super? I would just like to take a brief moment to personally apologize for that silly interruption. Ew. I'm afraid it only takes a few sad, really warped individuals to just ruin things for everybody. Grr. But rest assured that we have seen the last of them. On to our main event, Cyberdyne Expo! Woo!
5 minutes to spare until the park closes. It's 9:55, and it's 25 minutes for Minion Mayhem.
Let's
so,
do it.
yeah, let's see how bad this actually is. Vandalism.
Graffiti.
What is that?
That's why eating a dog eating a cat eating a mouse, eating a piece of cheese.
Row 6.
Hey, we got lucky. We're going in.
Yep, got lucky. We got to skip the first pre-show, but we have to see the second pre-show.
All the available space in front of you and still me. Do not put on your minion goggles yet. Don't delay. This is going to be... So, you're all here because you want to work for me. I usually take this time to interview new recruits one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today. So I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you. Anywho, one moment. This is good. But tell the Fario, add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear it. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions. Months ago, my chief scientist, Dr. Nefario, created the device that could turn everything.
Just came out into the Minion store. It is now 10:28. The park has been closed for 28 minutes, but we hopped on the second to last ride of Minion Mayhem. The streets are pretty empty, and we're officially calling it a night here from Universal.